In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Facebook with a full 2025 tutorial in just 5 minutes. So whether you're a business owner trying to streamline your marketing efforts or simply a Mailchimp user wanting to expand your reach, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your login details handy because we'll need to get started by logging into Mailchimp. Head over to the Mailchimp website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, leave this tab open as we'll need to come back to it later. Now let's shift our focus to Facebook. In a new browser tab, go ahead and log into your Facebook account. This part is crucial. Ensure you have administrative access to the Facebook page that you intend to connect with Mailchimp. Without admin rights, you won't be able to proceed, so double check your access if you're unsure. Returning to Mailchimp, locate your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you'll select Account and Billing. From there, you'll want to choose Integrations, and then move ahead by clicking on Connect New App. The process is intuitive, but if you get lost, simply retrace these steps. With the new app window open, direct your attention to the search box labeled Connect Apps and Integrations. Here, type in Facebook. After entering the keyword, a list of available integrations will appear. Select Facebook from this list. Clicking on Facebook will start the integration process officially. Once you've selected Facebook, click on Manage App. If you're not already logged into Facebook, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your credentials once more. At this stage, it's all about security and ensuring that you're the one making these changes. Next, you'll be asked to grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions. These permissions are needed so that Mailchimp can manage your pages and ads on Facebook. It's standard procedure, but if you're curious about what you're authorizing, feel free to read through the details. With permissions granted, it's time to choose which Facebook page you want to connect to your Mailchimp account. You'll see a list of the pages you're an admin for. Simply select the one that's most relevant for your goals, whether that's expanding your audience or launching a new campaign. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your Mailchimp account to your Facebook page. This connection will streamline your marketing efforts, making it easier to manage ads and reach a larger audience directly through Mailchimp. Keep your eyes peeled for updates or new features that might enhance this integration even further. If you have any questions or run into issues, both Mailchimp and Facebook have robust support to help guide you through any troubleshooting you might need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.